if you're creating solid content but not getting the viral traction you deserve, stop scrolling for a second. I have been making YouTube videos for years, and for the longest time, I couldn't crack the code. I thought good content alone would get me millions of views, but I was wrong. The real game changer, thumbnails. Yes, thumbnails. That one image can be the difference between 1,000 views and 1 million. I used to spend hours in Photoshop or pay ridiculous prices for custom thumbnails. But now I have found something way better, an AI tool called Pixels that creates viral ready thumbnails in seconds. All you do is type a prompt, something like a man swimming underwater looking terrified as a shark approaches from behind, and boom, Pixel generates a thumbnail that looks like it was made by a pro designer. So don't like the first result, hit redo. Tweak the look, add bold yellow text. It's all done in seconds, no design skills needed. And if you're into recreating successful thumbnails, Pixel has a feature for that too. Just paste a YouTube video link, yes, even from Mr. Beast, and the tool generate for a new version of the viral thumbnail legally and uniquely yours. Worried about customization? You can even face swap, upload your photo, and then AI will drop your face right into thumbnail. It is seriously next level. Still not convinced? Let's talk results. From Minecraft creators to underwater explorers, Pixels users are pulling in millions of views using nothing but smart prompts this tool. Best part, you don't need Photoshop. You don't need to hire anyone. You just need an idea and this AI. In a world where attention is everything, this AI thumbnail tool is the shortcut we have been waiting for. Try Pixels and thank me later.